Determine the unit vector in the direction of the resultant vectors. So here we have three vectors that are given to us. Okay, let us begin. First, what we'll do, we're going to name the three vectors. So let's say, let A vector that's defined by I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Then we have the vector B defined by 2I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. And then we have the vector C given by I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Using these three vectors, let's now find out the resultant of the three vectors. That means we need to find out the sum of the vectors A, B, and C. So let's add up all the like terms. So we have I cap plus 2I cap, that's 3I cap. And then we have again I cap added to it, that gives us 4I cap. Negative j cap and positive j cap cancels out, and then we are left with positive 2j cap. 3k cap minus 2k cap will be k cap, and we have k cap minus 2k cap, so that will be negative k cap. Now that we have obtained the resultant of the given three vectors, what we'll do, we'll try to find out the magnitude of these vectors, the magnitude of the vector A plus B plus C. The magnitude of the vector A plus B plus C, that's going to be, take the square root. Underneath the square root, we have to find out the sum of square. So we'll start with coefficient of I cap, so that's 4. We square this value, add it to the square of coefficient of j cap, so that's 2. We're going to square this value as well. Add it to coefficient of k cap, so that's negative 1. We're going to square this value. So that means we have square root of 21. That's going to be the magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Our goal is to determine the unit vector in the direction of the resultant of the vectors. That means we need to find out the unit vector of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. This is going to be simply given by, take the resultant vector A vector plus B vector plus C vector and then divide it by its magnitude. That means magnitude of vector A, B and C. Now A vector plus B vector plus C vector, that's 4I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and we're going to divide it by the magnitude, which is square root of 21, and that's going to give us 4 over square root of 21. This is going to be the component of I cap added to 2 over square root of 21, which is the component of j cap, and then negative 1 over square root of 21 multiplied to k cap. So we have successfully obtained the unit vector in the direction of the resultants of vector A, B, and C.